But here comes another Russian. It is the young 16-year-old Evgenia Medvedeva. As mentioned, she just turned 16. She was 15 at Skate America this year when she took gold. This is her first year on the senior Grand Prix circuit. Ended her junior year on a winning note. She was gold at the Junior Grand Prix final. Also the 2015 World Junior Champion.
And that's going to give you a boatload of confidence to take onto the senior circuit because you know how to win, and she enjoys winning.
Very fluid skater. So light on her feet.
The arm isn't as up, as you said, Carol. She always had her arm up over her head.
Yep, it's up.
But there it was again.
But if I could do a triple Lutz like that, I wouldn't worry about where my arm was. It was gorgeous. Had so much speed in and out.
Not only does she do the jump, she just does them better than everybody else. And the grade of execution, the marks she gets on every single one of those elements are high.
Really nice detail in the step sequence. Lots of very clever little moments picking up the musical highlights. She gives you such a feeling of confidence when she goes into those jumps. With that triple loop, you didn't think for a moment that she wasn't going to do it. Not on the table to miss.
I just find with some skaters, the jumps are the performance. And with her, she just includes jump in the performance.
That's right. Triple sow, triple toe in the second half, so getting the bonus points again now for every jump she does. Double axel probably the easiest jump in the program, and that's the one she has trouble with. Oh, that's so clever.
Another beautiful performance by the Russian Medvedeva. One of her choreographers, 2002 Olympic silver medalist in ice dance, Ilya Averbuk. So perhaps that'll explain the flow, the beauty to her skating as well. And in the crowd is Evgenia Plushenko, who happens to be her idol.
That program felt like it was over before it started. It was so beautifully done. I couldn't believe she got to the end. I wanted more.
You know, of all the Russian skaters, and you see, you know, she reacts to the music. She's very musical, and you know, like a lot of things in life, less is more. And you know, I didn't find that her arms are as distracting as some of the other skaters.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes you have to make a movement, and it has to have a purpose. I find a lot of skaters are just moving their arms because they feel that's what they need to.
Oh, that's what they've been told to do.
Not so much with her. That's why I enjoy watching her skate.
She is looking for her second Grand Prix gold in only her first year on the senior circuit. She's making a case for it here on home ice.
She really is. And no question of under rotations with her either. Everything is as clean as a whistle.
She set personal bests as well at Skate America across the board. See if she can do better here. She will need 118.09 to take the lead from Sotnikova. And wow, 139.73. Not only is that a personal best for her, that's actually the new highest Grand Prix free score coming into the event. It was Gracie Gold who actually had the highest at 137.41. So she is setting the trend. So that is a hard score to beat.